You are going to love the 2013 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, one cargo area light, trip odometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.